Hey everyone! In the realm of high-performance gaming laptops, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 makes a statement by combining flagship-level features and specifications for the future into a stylish and useful design. It is a confident combination of engineering, style, and user-friendly features that solidly establishes it as one of the best in its class, in addition to being a powerful machine. You can see ASUS considering the whole experience as soon as you open the ROG Strix G16. The laptop, a high-wattage charger, and a stylish, branded backpack, not just a freebie, but a useful and long-lasting travel companion, are all included in the bundle. Its flexible charging support, yes, you can use the conventional adapter, is a great feature. The G16's aesthetic balances slight gaming flair with understated refinement. The Eclipse Gray version has a sleek, contemporary appearance that works equally well in an office or studio as it does in a gaming setup. The whole structure has that sturdy feel you'd expect from a high-end machine, and the materials feel high-end, easily withstanding fingerprints in normal use. For a bike with this much horsepower, the G16's form factor of about 2.7 kilograms is fairly reasonable. Despite not having a separate numeric keypad, the keyboard has an integrated number pad thanks to ASUS's touch-sensitive technology, which is practical and space-efficient. The bottom edge illumination also offers a gentle glow in dim settings. The port selection is extensive and well-planned. Dual Thunderbolt 5 ports with lightning-fast transfer rates of up to 120 gigabits per second, HDMI, a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet connector, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port, and a combined audio jack are located on the left. Two more USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports are located on the right side. And lastly, the screen, a true standout. A buttery-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate, vivid color reproduction, and broad viewing angles are all provided by the 16-inch 2.5K panel. It is sufficiently bright, sharp, and accurate for both professional creative tasks like digital art and video editing, as well as intense gaming. The Strix G16 shows off its power behind the hood. Its central component is the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, a powerful processor designed for video editing, 3D rendering, multitasking, and, of course, intense gaming. It is paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, which has 16 gigabytes of VRAM and guarantees maximum performance in demanding creative apps. The G16 excels in the thermal design as well. In order to facilitate even heat dissipation, ASUS equipped this laptop with a sizable vapor chamber that covers the CPU, GPU, and other important components. By enabling you to switch between GPUs as needed, ASUS's MUX switch technology enhances both in-game performance and energy efficiency. Intelligent fans with liquid crystal bearings also reduce noise while maintaining high airflow. The fact that all of this functionality and adaptability are combined into a portable, elegantly designed container, however, is what really makes the difference. Its design isn't too aggressive, which makes it a good option for creative studios or commercial settings. There are more uses for the ASUS ROG Strix G16 2025 than just gaming. It combines the functions of a future-proof productivity tool, a portable entertainment center, and a fully functional workstation. This computer has the power and sophistication to meet and surpass your demands, whether you're a content creator, an avid gamer, or someone who simply won't settle for less. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new laptop? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.